nice to have you at Hair for All.
Yeah.
Really grateful to have you, and it's an absolute honour to help you with a hair system.
Yeah.
Just briefly, just tell us about your story, right?
Yeah.
And definitely about where you're going on Monday, I do believe.
Yeah, Monday, yeah.
Yeah,
so,
go for it, Sean.
So back in 2013, I was ill.
Right.
And after about 3 months, I got diagnosed with blood cancer.
Right, wow.
Sorry?
I said wow.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Jesus.
Yeah, so back in 2013, I was diagnosed with blood cancer. They said that I've 5 months of treatment.
Right, okay.
And then after treatment, they said to me that you can go and live your life. So I had 5 months of treatment and I worked. I didn't live my life. But then 2 months later, come back, and I knew it'd come back. And 2 months after, when I come back, they said to me that there was nothing they could do for me.
Wow.
It come back so aggressive. So they told me to plan my funeral and give me 2 months to live. So that was like unreal. Do you know what I mean? It's hard to. What do you do to that now? What do you say to that? So basically, I begged them for more treatment, and as a last wish, they gave it to me.
Okay.
And they gave me another week full of strong chemo.
Okay.
And within 3 weeks, I was in total remission.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
So the only way to save my life then was a bone marrow transplant.
Okay.
And that was quite hard to find. They searched the UK and Germany, nothing.
Yeah.
And then one came up in America.
Wow, that's incredible.
So it was like more better than winning the lottery, I think.
And that's where you're going on Monday, isn't it?
So Monday, I travelled to America to meet the guy who saved my life.
That's unbelievable. How long are you there for?
So we're there for a week.
Okay.
I fly over Monday, and then it's a bit of a search. We'll find him on Tuesday.
All right. Okay. So you're being filmed while you're out there, aren't you?
Yeah. ITV. They're going to come over and film us, and then it'll be shown on TV then. I believe in March 2018.
Okay. And that's with Davina.
Davina McCabe, yeah.
All right. She's lovely, isn't she?
Oh yeah, she's really nice, down to earth.
Right. So I'll come in here now, Sean. So Sean, with the chemo, and he had male pattern baldness as well, but it was slow. But with the chemo, it would have affected his hair on top, and he's been very conscious of it. So he wears hats because he's lost his hair. So I spoke to him a couple of months ago, 3 or 4 months back, and was honoured to be able to help him, to be fair, because it's such a fantastic story, and all of HQ's talked about you and everything. You'll be with Stuart today, and the transformation will give you so much more confidence. Even though you've got a real cool look with the hat, we know why you do it, don't we?
Yeah.
So, today when this happens, buddy, you're going to really enjoy it, and I promise you it's going to look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Alright,
Yeah,
okay, so I'm looking forward to it. So shake my hand,
Cheers,
put my hand in camera so they never know I'm for real.
Thank you for
Alright, okay,
cheers,
take care. I'll come in for the last bit. I was interviewing.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.